How to make any women miss you very badly. Making someone miss you deeply, especially psychologically, is not about manipulation, but about creating emotional value, connection, and healthy space. Here are psychologically sound ways to make a woman miss you genuinely and intensely. 1. Create positive emotional experiences. People miss how you make them feel, not just your presence. Be genuinely fun, supportive, and emotionally available when you're with her. 2. Give her space. Scarcity increases value. Constant presence can make someone take you for granted. Pull back slightly at times. Let her wonder what you're doing and miss your presence. 3. Leave on a high note. When interactions end on a positive, exciting, or emotional note, the feeling lingers. Example: end a call or date after a laugh or meaningful compliment. 4. Be mysterious, not distant. Don't share everything all at once. Leave room for curiosity. Mystery sparks imagination, which leads to missing someone. 5. Trigger nostalgia. Mention shared moments or inside jokes that only you to understand. Send her a song, photo, or memory from a good time you had together. 6. Become a part of her routine. Regular but non-invasive communication, texts, memes, thoughtful gestures can build an emotional rhythm. When that rhythm pauses, she notices. 7. Focus on self-improvement. When you grow physically, emotionally, socially, she admire and think about you more. Independence and ambition are attractive and linger in a person's mind. 8. Use social proof subtly. Be seen having a good time without her, not to provoke jealousy, but to show you're valuable to others too. This activates a sense of loss or fear of missing out, FOMO.